Hi guys, my name is Annika and I'm going to be sharing with you a fun kitchen science experiment that you could do with your preschoolers or your own children. The name of the experiment is Milk Color Explosion. There's just a couple of ingredients that you'll need. Most ingredients you can find in your common household. The first one is milk. You're going to want to use dairy milk. The alternatives don't really work as well. Food coloring, dish soap, Q-tips or cotton swabs, a plate and or shallow bowl. Also, to stop it from being a little messy, because preschoolers and young kids are, a nice little old towel. This one was obviously used for other coloring projects. So the secret to the bursting colors in the experiment is the dish soap. It's the chemistry of it. Dish soap is really cool because it has a lot of different effects with different liquids. Now let's get started. So first you're going to take your plate or a shallow bowl, and you're going to take your milk and pour the milk into it. Then you're going to take the droplets or the food coloring and drop it in. This is where you can incorporate math. Ask them to count out the drops or give them a certain amount, like 3 drops of purple, 4 of red, and etc. And obviously the more color you use, the more crazy and extravagant the colors will be. Add a little bit of this. All right. And now for the magic. Take the Q-tip and dip it into the soap. Not too much, not too little. You're gonna take it and put it in the middle. See all the color explosion? So for why it works, milk is mostly water, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, proteins, and little fat droplets. So the fat and the protein, when it's very sensitive, and when the surroundings change, it changes very quickly as well. So when the soap molecules come in, they're gonna race around and try to join up with the fat molecules. And then the food coloring molecules, meanwhile, are just shoved and bumped everywhere. So that's why the food coloring is so important and cool, because it shows the invisible chemistry that's actually going on. So with this experiment, obviously you can branch out into a bunch of other curriculum. We talked about math earlier and counting the droplets. With art, you can talk about mixing colors and other, where you find colors everywhere else, in nature and around the room. You can also talk about the physical science and the motion. You can ask the children what motions did they see, maybe ask them to act it out. Things can get a little bit silly. And obviously with science, we got the chemistry of it all. So I hope you liked the experiment. I obviously can't stop messing with it myself. I hope that you try the experiment out yourself, and thank you for watching.